How to enable blue light filter on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, the blue light filter, also known as the night shift, is a built in feature on your iPhone. So, this eliminates the need for third party apps. So, you can turn it on by going to your settings and then go to display and brightness and scroll down. You'll find the night shift. Just tap on it and then you'll see a slider so you can just move it towards more warm or less warm according to your wish. Now you can even schedule it or manually enable until tomorrow. Or another easy way is to swipe down from your top right and just long press on the brightness slider, and here you'll find the night shift option. Just tap on it and it will be toggled on. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.